Here we go. You're an imposter. I don't like you. You need to leave. I think we're going to be ready to actually bring the first batch of pigs, Lulu, the family, and those. What's going on, buddy? The water bowls. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's gone. This is so hard to explain without saying it, but it'll all make sense. Come on, pups. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Today is a vlog day. You're hanging out with me today, and we got some cool stuff. I want to feed. Oh God, the water's a little dirty. I want to feed them live fish today. I got the wood for the bottom of the pig enclosure, so it'll pretty much look just like that the whole way down. And this was a pretty expensive project due to the prices of wood right now, you know what I'm saying? So I want to thank today's video sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by DraftKings. I personally love DraftKings. I've been using it for a couple months now, and the fact that I get to work with these companies that I currently actually use off camera is amazing. It is the big game this weekend, and DraftKings Sportsbook, an official sports betting partner of the NFL, is kicking things off with a huge offer. All new customers get 56-to-1 odds on either team to win the big game. Bet just $5 and you can win $280 in free bets if your team is victorious. That's right. Bet just $5 on either team to win the big game, and DraftKings Sportsbooks will give new customers an additional $280 in free bets if the team they choose wins. Now, if Sportsbook is not available in your state just yet, you still have something to play for this weekend. Everyone can play for their share of millions of dollars in total prizes with DraftKings daily fantasy football contests. Now, what are you waiting for? Go download the DraftKings Sportsbook app. It is down in the description down below. Use my promo code Cuffaro and get 56-to-1 odds on either team to win the big game. Again, just bet $5, and if your team wins, you get $280 in free bets. Click that link in the description down below. Use my promo code Cuffaro. Thank you so much, DraftKings, for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get right on into it. Thanks again, DraftKings, for sponsoring today's video and making all this possible. And we're about to get started with today's video, but I'm just looking at something that we did yesterday, and it's just so beautiful. Let me show you. Well, that looks good. Oh, unfortunately, that is all blurred. I know it's blurred, but if this video does get 35,000 likes, which is not impossible for you, Cuffaros, y'all are crazy with the like button. Just smashing it, always smashing it, you know. Lens is getting wet. It's raining out here. I will post a video tomorrow. You know my schedule has been like every 3 days, 4 days. I will post a video tomorrow of the pond with the filtration, UV system, water filled up, aerator. I mean, what I'm looking at right now is a complete 3,500 gallon pond in the front yard. I'll show you something. I'll show you something. These lights I need to put in up above up there so they shine straight down on the pond, and the pond that's all I'm showing you. That's it. Smash the like button if you want to see it. I'll post tomorrow. Let's go to the farm because we got both the kids in the back. What's up, guys? Farm. Woo-woo. Yes, I had to pull in, put the camera there, pull out, and then pull back in for that clip, but it was worth it. I need to get waterfowl feed. Waterfowls now have food. Gary, you don't have any patience to just wait, do you? Do one of you want to eat it? Here we go.
You ready? You go first. Let's see your
3, 2, 1. That was pretty good. You got in the water.
Ready?
All right, let's see Pops. That's more like it. What's going on, everyone? Hi, Lulu. Hi, Mama. Here we go. They all follow me. Eat up. Gosh, they're getting so big. One more. Bubba, first one to it. The ducks literally just laid an egg. Like it was not there 2 seconds ago.
It's a hot egg.
Dude, that's a freshie. That one's like one you could plop into an incubator and might have a baby duck.
What would you put on it if you cooked it?
Salt and pepper.
And what else?
And ketchup.
Ah,
Ketchup!
my brother likes ketchup on his eggs. Here you go, my little kids. Look at them, they're growing so much. Here you go. It's probably because I feed you guys a mountain of food once a day, though. I want them to get big. What can I say? These guys are going to be living with all the other pigs at PC Farm 2.0. I think we're going to be ready to actually bring the first batch of pigs, Lulu, the family, and those 3, over to the new farm within the next, like, probably week or 2. The good old row of food. Where's Boots? Come on, Boots. Give it to us. Oh, that was a killer one, dude. That was killer, Boots. I literally am going to let you eat this on your own for like a solid minute because of how good that was. Can we just get a replay on that one? Oh! He straight sideways kicked that door. King, your brother is coming to steal some of your food, but that was well deserved. Here, Boots, come on. King, leave him alone. Oh, there's Kevin. I was gonna say, I've been seeing imposter Kev, but not real Kev. It's so great to see ya. All you guys are coming to my new house soon, once the building is up. You're an imposter, I don't like you. You need to leave. Not gonna lie, you're actually pretty cool. You can stay. You got like a cute face. I don't know what it is, buddy. And thankfully, the hogs have this house to go into when it rains. As you can see, it's elevated and it's dry in there because it gets muddy out here. There's some dry spots up under here. Of course, we have this, and that's where they all are right now. It's too rainy out here to keep filming. My camera's gonna break. You see all the rain hitting the lens right now? Not good. I'm cleaning up this massive tree in the backyard. It just looked raggedy, so yeah, we're giving it a little haircut. That is a big tree. Look at them up there. Look, he's all the way up there. Oh, he's so high up in that tree right now. So I just went and bought all the goldfish to feed our snapping turtles. But before I feed them, I want to throw us back to Texas, where a snowstorm started. And not only did we have to get the animals safe, but we also had a blast in the snow. So real quickly, throwing you to Texas, and then we'll be back here to feed our snapping turtle. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. And give you a little bit of news. Probably why you clicked on this video. Hey buddy, you're inside from the snow. There's more animals in here. Hey, what's going on, DJ? Believe it or not, that is a baby Gary. These guys were like frozen solid last night. We had to bring him in. I'm not dressed for this occasion, but it is snowing out. In order to keep these animals drinking water, we literally have to make a hole in the water. Look at that, it's frozen. This is 2 times in like the matter of a couple weeks. Hey. They're all walking in here, the turkeys. Look at the pigs eating through the snow. What's up? Alpacas. I wonder what Lulu would do. Like, oh wow, it's actually really nice and warm in here. Hey, hey, you alive in there? What's going on, buddy? They got all this hay we put in here last night. Steven! Yeah, I'd be you, just chilling right under the heat lamp. It is so cold. You know what? I'll stick to living in Florida. It's beautiful. They're water bowls. So while it's snowing, we're gonna do some fun stuff and take advantage of the weather. We're here, Walmart, on a snowy day. They're playing Christmas music. As far as the eye could see, not a human. Look. Need a hoodie. Boots. What size am I? $49 to keep myself warm for 5 seconds. Hey Cuffaros, it's a new scenery. Pushing a kayak down a nice road. That is what we're going down. Right there. I can't point. Right there. Right there. Paul! Paul! Get in! We're stuck on the side a little bit. Paul? Paul? Oh my god! Paul! Oh, we're going! Look at me! Dude, I turned around and Paul's hanging on. Paul's hanging on for dear life. Oh my god. Oh, I made it though. Here's the issue. We gotta take this back up this hill. That was worth every second. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's gone. Let's release the others without making too much of a mess. Oh, ooh, missed it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, we missed it again. Oh, ooh. Come on. Come on. Oh, dude, he's so mad. It's getting him frustrated. So it's a bit murky in there now that they've moved around and stuff, but they have a dozen goldfish to eat, and I thought it was kind of cool. Listen, these are what vlog days are all about. I don't even know what I get into throughout the day. I show you footage that I have stocked away on the computer, but about today's title and thumbnail, you're probably like,
What do you mean?
Well, to be honest, this enclosure is just about done. I have a couple boards to drill in that will be done by the end of this week, and we're gonna transport the big house, the house that Hector built the pigs, and put it into the corner over here. And we are gonna bring Lulu, the whole family, and the 3 little babies that I explained a little bit earlier, you saw me talk about them coming to this house. We're bringing them all here, probably within the next week or 2. So that right there, that piece of footage that we just filmed might be, very well might be just the last time that I've filmed the pigs, at least Lulu and the family, in that very enclosure. To further explain all this, there's going to be an entire video explaining PC farm number 1, what's gonna happen to it, where is it going, who's gonna live in it. Don't worry, we're gonna keep seeing it, regardless whether I live there or don't. I've got it all worked out. I promise you, I won't let you down. This is so hard to explain without saying it, but it'll all make sense. I just wanted to let you know that that clip that we just filmed earlier, I'm overlaying it right now, may have been one of the last times we filmed that specific family of pigs, at least because I have to move in one family by family, little by little, enclosures as they build here. Could have been the last time we filmed them at the PC farm original. You know, I say that now, but it's probably gonna take a little longer than totally expected to get this enclosure finally ready for pigs, have the house in here, build the back wall, because I don't want these to get destroyed, so I gotta build like another fence right here. But I plan to get all of that done within the next week. That's my goal. The last time we filmed Lulu and the family in there, of course, until the transfer video, because I'm obviously gonna film a whole entire video bringing the pigs from that house to this house. So you'll see it again. I'm not saying like, oh, that's the last time you'll ever see them there. That's kind of what I did just say, but it's not what I meant. I'm just looking at this filter system right now with the pond. Let's show you it again. I'm so sorry it's blurred, but hey, 35,000 likes and it'll be posted tomorrow. I know this video is definitely not like a normal video, lots of talking. I will hopefully see you tomorrow though with an absolute banger from start to finish, setting up the filtration for this, filling it up with water, and getting it ready for fish. Check out the merch, top link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.